Hey guys, good morning. Today I'm going to be filming a Walmart haul for you guys. It's not going to be a big one, but I did want to go over, I did get my low vision paper. If you are not familiar with me, I'm Heidi and welcome to Heidi's Home. My husband and I are both visually impaired, and so we use things to help us shop and all that kind of thing. So one of the things that really helps me is low vision paper. If I would write on regular paper, my handwriting is not hardly legible. Now, I'm going to tell you, if I look like a hot mess this morning, it is not even 9 a.m. The bus will be here in 10 minutes. And when I get back, I'm going to go over my meal plan with you guys, as well as you can see here, I do have my grocery list. So it's not real big, but we're just going to get the basics to go with what we already have in the house to get us through the remainder of this week and get us to about the 7th of next month, which will be September already. Can you believe that? So I'm going to take a few more drinks of my coffee and grab my shopping bags, and Ronnie and I will be headed out. Are you ready, baby?
I'm ready, sweetheart.
Okay, we are finally home, and I'm going to show you guys. We've been home for a little while, and I made us a quick omelet because we were hungry, and we've been trying to avoid eating out and eat a little healthier, lose a little weight, all those good things. And so we was hungry when we came home because we ended up going really early today, and so we didn't have breakfast. So when we got home, it was 11, so basically we had brunch. So we just had a quick turkey and cheese omelet. It was really delicious, and now I'm full, and now I can share with you what I purchased from the grocery store. So this is really rare that I see this at our store because it sells out really quickly, but this is the zero sugar coffee creamer. This one here is the coconut. Love it. I don't like all of the sugar-free coffee creamers, but this one here I really think is delicious and creamy and just a treat. I only have 1 cup of coffee every single day, and so this is, I probably put about a tablespoon in my cup, so it's just a treat in the morning. I love it. A lot cheaper than going to Starbucks all the time, so this is awesome. Got a half a gallon of 2% milk. This one expires on the 9th. I don't want to go back to the store till the 7th, so this will get us through. Also got some cottage cheese, some sour cream, and some Greek yogurt. This time I got the strawberry. I usually don't ever get the kind with the fruit in it, but this was all they had. They didn't have any of just the plain or the vanilla, so I just went ahead and got this. It's going to be a few more calories or whatever in it, but we don't eat enough of it to really, I don't think, to make that much of a difference. So I did opt for the strawberry because I actually like, I don't know what, crave the yogurt. I absolutely love it. Got some chicken breast tenderloins. These are awesome because you can just chop them up and make stir fries or anything with it. This is awesome to have. Some pepper and onion blend. Love this. In fact, if you're not familiar with Jamarelle Stewart's YouTube channel, she's the one that's got me buying this because you don't always get to your produce and things goes bad, or you need this on a whim. And these are great, and they're not very expensive. Some broccoli stir fry vegetables. and 2 things of broccoli. Y'all are going to see us eat a lot of broccoli because Ronnie loves broccoli, and it's probably the most consumed vegetable in this house. Me, I like them all, but he doesn't care for unless it's in something. So anyhow, I did opt for these hamburger patties today. They were on clearance, $7.13. Do I still think that's outrageous? Absolutely. This is the ground chuck. These are stupendous burgers, and that's the only reason why I bought them. But this is enough for one meal, and we'll have like one left over, which will be cool. Then I buy the Johnsonville hot Italian sausage. We love this. We use it in everything that we cook, but I think we're just going to fry these and have them the way they are, probably with a little mustard. And then we've got some mozzarella here. Another thing of cheddar cheese. I have found that I don't run out if I just opt to buy the big bag and just get it over with. And that way I have it. Then we have some hidden under here. We have some turkey pepperoni. I've been making us pepperoni pizzas using the whole wheat or low carb tortillas. Ronnie really loves them. I do too. And they're super easy, lunch or supper. Pork rinds. Again, if you don't know, no sugar, no carbs. So you can have a few of the pork rinds and have your crunchy snack, and it's not too bad for you. So I got the generic this time, a little bit cheaper. So 2 of those. I've been wanting to try this tea ever since another YouTuber brought this up. It's the dandelion root tea. Supposed to be really good. Supposed to be really good for weight loss, bloating, all those kinds of things. So going to give that a whirl. My husband likes to have bologna on hand, so I bought original sliced bologna. We've got the honey smoked turkey breast. This is what we put in our omelets in the mornings, is this. We also use the baby spinach in our omelets. We love spinach. Bought some packages of brown gravy mix. My husband, again, broccoli florets. I just buy it this way because it's actually cheaper, because when you buy the head of broccoli at my local Walmart, it's teeny tiny. And the price of it is huge. And this way, this saves me a whole lot of work, and it's a cheaper way to go, and it lasts longer. So, if you're going to eat it, and you're not going to let it go bad, this is a money saver right here, and a time saver. So, anyways, we're eating broccoli. Got me a few bananas for some protein smoothies, a head of cabbage, some blueberries. This is the hot pecani salsa. We love it spicy. Ronnie says, more spicy, more nicey. I got some pink Himalayan sea salt. I'm going to be putting this in my lemon water in the morning. It's supposed to be really good for you. And you don't put a lot, just a little tiny sprinkle. And then I've got some whole almonds. Ronnie loves these. Some whole wheat bread. I opted for their brand. It's not my favorite, but toasted, it's okay. But like I said, it's not my favorite. I like the Sara Lee, but they were completely sold out today of it. So I just opted to get this. And like I said, if you toast it, it's not that bad. Some eggs, because we go through the mother load of eggs. I do not know what we do with the eggs. We obviously eat them, but we go through them fast. So if you're curious about how much I spent just a little tiny bit over $100. So don't think I did that bad. This is going to get me through the rest of August and to September 7th. And I will show you my meal plan here in a minute, or show you, we don't necessarily eat the plan in order, but I just make sure that I have main meal covered for every single day up to the 7th. So I'm going to show you guys what my meal plan is as soon as I put all this away. Okay, so I don't know what I look like because I got caught in the rain a little bit today. And I got my glasses on so I can read you my meal plan. So just a reminder that I go through my pantry and my freezer and my fridge, and I make sure that I utilize everything that I have left, and it saves me a lot of money, and it also saves me from wasting anything. So if I have a meal plan, I know in here at least, hey, I have this cheese or I have this macaroni or whatever on hand, and then I know to utilize it and nothing goes to waste. In fact, the last time I went to the grocery store, I'm just going to tell you, we had trash day yesterday, and I threw out, this is serious, I threw out 2 little pieces of chicken this big from some fajitas I made this week, and I threw out 2 meatballs. That's it. There was no wasted milk. There was no wasted cheese. There was no wasted produce. That was it. That was all I threw out of that I had. And so I try to not waste anything because groceries are extremely, extremely expensive. And I'm with you all on a tight budget, and I know the things that have worked for me. And so in saying that, a meal plan is very important in saving time and money. Because tomorrow, like when I get up, I don't have to say, what am I going to cook today? I already know what my ideas are. So keep in mind that when I do write out my, I don't even know if you can see that, my meal plan, okay, it doesn't necessarily mean that it goes in that order, okay? I just know that I have every single day covered. We've got food in the house. There's no excuses. But usually the day before, I kind of know what I'm going to do the next day, if that makes any sense. So if I need to take meat out of the freezer and put it out so it'll thaw or whatnot, you get my point. So let's see. So one day we're going to have tacos, Mexican cabbage casserole, which by the way, we absolutely love. And ever since I started making that, we actually like it better than regular Mexican food. The cabbage, I don't know. I don't even know, or I can't explain it until you try it. It is delicious. It is absolutely delicious. I have 2 big packs of cube steak that my father-in-law bought me. And so that's why I bought the brown gravy. And I have green beans, a big, large can of green beans. So we're going to put some green beans on and some cube steak. And that will be delicious dinner. And we probably might do that Sunday. Usually Sunday, I do sort of a good country fixin' type dinner. And so, let's see. We also have cheeseburgers one night, cream of chicken and biscuit. That was something that I did have extra to fix when my parents were here, but we didn't get to that because we had more than enough food, and so that never got fixed, so we need to utilize that and fix that chicken. We've got chicken stir fry, we've got pizza, we've got pork chops, we've got salmon cakes. And so to let you know, like the cube steak will actually probably go for more than one day. I'm going to take my glasses off so I don't look like I'm wearing bottles on my face for you. These are mega glasses. I am legally blind, so if you're new, hello. And I will also tell you that I always keep extra things on hand, and it may not be necessarily things that you guys might enjoy eating. We keep Spam on hand. It makes easy sandwiches. We keep tuna fish. That makes easy meals. I'm trying to think. We always keep dry beans, and I was raised eating northern beans and cornbread, and I'm not against that today. But I always have that in the cabinet. If I run out of anything, I've got that. We've got hot dogs. I've got extra hamburger meat, and I also have a thing of bratwurst that I do know of up in my freezer. So that was not even added to this. We do have one day that we are going to be going out. So that is included too. So we have a day that we do go out. I get on here and I kind of tell you how I save money and all that kind of thing. But we do splurge because we deserve it. We're a couple. We deserve to go out and have a meal somewhere, and you do too. So don't feel guilty about that. But I will tell you the deals that we do get here locally. If you have one of these places near you, this is how we save money when we go out to eat. Texas Roadhouse has lunch. They have a lunch menu, and it goes on from Monday through Thursday, I believe it is. And it's from 2:30 to 4 o'clock. So you have to get the lunch. And it's way cheaper. It's still the same amount of food. It's delicious. You get to treat yourself to a sit-down dinner. And usually what we do, and we get waters to drink, and it's under $30 for us to eat out. You can't do that at McDonald's. I'm just going to tell you, you cannot do that at McDonald's. So really an excellent deal. And you get the bread, which is not good for you, but you get the bread. You get the buns with the honey butter, and that's so good. The other thing is we have a hamburger place called Fat Patty's here. And there's one near the university that we love. And I don't know this for a fact, but I think it's the original one that they opened first here. And on Tuesdays, after 4 o'clock, it's buy one, get one free. So you get a burger and you get one free. And that includes, with your burger meal, that includes French fries and a giant pickle. And usually, again, we just get waters. And, your sodas is what really racks up the bill when you go out to eat. I think a soda there is like $3 and something. So two of them would be almost $7. So see, the Coca-Colas is what really makes it expensive. So just a little idea out there for you guys if you're trying to save a little bit of money. Coupons in the mail. If you've got kids, we get Burger King coupons. We have Tudor's here. I don't know that down south, but we have a Tudor's Biscuit World here. We get coupons for them. Sometimes Captain D's, and we have an Italian place called Fazoli's, and their coupons are excellent, and their food portions are huge. You're going to take home leftovers and have enough for lunch the next day if you go eat there. So just a few things that I wanted to throw out there. If you guys have ideas to save money on going out to eat or groceries, comment down below, because I want to know. Everybody else wants to know too. And I read my comments and I read them aloud to my husband, and we talk about them and everything. So be sure to leave your comments. Any ideas at all, I'm open to them. Thank you so much for watching. If you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button. If you are looking for real videos by a real person, this is her. And you be sure to hit that subscribe button, and I will be talking to you all again soon. Bye, guys.